Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. You can see this is a population pyramid in which we can see the proportion of male and female of selected group. Their percentage, okay, you can see that on the left side, okay, we have male percentage, and on the right side, okay, we have female percentage, my dear. And their age group, okay, you can see that 0 to 4, 5 to 9, 10 to 14. So under 15, that age group is called as lower age group. Under 15 and over 15 and under 60, mean between 50 and 60, that is middle age group, and over 60, okay, we have mean upper age group beta. Okay, so in this pyramid, okay, you can see that beta different age groups, okay, their percentage of males and females, okay, they have shown that. With the passage of time, my dear, you see, you will see a kind of change, okay, a transition, okay, in this population pyramid. After 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, okay, or 20 years, okay, you will find a change in that. I will explain that. But before, my dear, you can see we have some questions in that, like what percentage of population is 4 years and under? How much total population is there of percentage? Check between males and females.
Sir, male is 6, female is 6, so 12.
6 plus 6, okay, 12 beta. 6 plus 6, okay, that is 12 beta. Number 2, which age group is the largest percentage? Check the
10 to
bars.
14.
Sir, 10 to 14.
Yes, beta. So you will see the bars, my dear, because these bars, okay, are showing the percentage. So between 10 and 14, in over 10 and under 14. Over 10 and under 14, okay, that is the age group where we have more or largest percentage of population beta. Number 3, what is the percentage of people over 60 years?
Sir, 4 plus 3, 7.
Here 4 and plus the 3.5% beta, okay, like that, okay, or 4 plus, okay, 3%. So definitely 7%. If you write that, 6.5% you write that, or even 7.5% you write that. So both answers are correct beta. Then come to which age groups are called dependent population beta. Which are the beta?
Sir,
Under 15 and over 60, because they have to depend on country's resources. That's why we call them as dependent population beta. Because under 15, you know that children, okay, don't work, and over 60, okay, you know that older people, okay, don't work. So we call them as dependent population because they have to depend on country's resources. But from 15 to 60, that is the age group, okay, we call it as productive group beta, highly productive group, because they are the people, they have to work, okay, in the primary industry, secondary industry, and tertiary industry beta, because they will produce they will generate income, my dear, okay, we can say that, or they will play their role, okay, in the economic growth of the country. But if you have more people here, so it means that, okay, you have more skilled and non-skilled, okay, people there, workforce there. If you have lot of resources, you can use that. But if you have less resources, so then these people, okay, will migrate to other countries. Like we people, okay, we migrated, okay, from Pakistan to Saudi Arabia. Reason was that, okay, we could not find, okay, proper jobs, okay, in Pakistan beta. Okay, now we come to the transition change, that this population pyramid, okay, will change, okay, with the passage of time. Cause, okay, more people, okay, will come, okay, and suppose that the child, okay, who has 1 year age, okay, right now, after 1 year he will be or she will be in 2 years, and after 5 years, okay, it will be in six, and like that 10 years, okay, it will be in next and next and next, my year. So question is that, okay, that how is the shape of the population pyramid likely to change from 2006 to 2026 beta. You see that between 2006 and 2026, okay, how many years are there beta?
20.
Sir, 20.
20 years. If one child, okay, whose age is in 2006, okay, 1 year, so his age will be 21, okay, in 2026 beta. So this is transition change, my dear. Okay, you can see that. You can see the base of this pyramid. It is short, and as we go up, okay, so middle stage, okay, you can see that it is getting wider, my dear. And as the time passes, my dear, your middle stage or middle
Yeah.
age group, okay, so that will be having, okay, more population. You will be having, okay, less people, okay, under 15, more people over 60, and more people, okay, over 50 and over 15 and 60 with it. Over 15 and under 60, okay, you will be having more population with it. So how will we write the answer? Okay, you can see that base is narrow, bars are shorter, there are fewer children, okay, under 15 years, fewer younger children, okay, and young dependents, because they are the people, they are the children, or they are the population, my dear. They have to depend on country's resources better. Now the middle one, okay, will be wider, because this population will go and it will be over 15, okay, and less than 60 better. And here we'll be having, okay, more population, mean more workforce or working population, more independent, because they are the people, they have to work. And those who work, okay, we call them as independent. And those who do not work, okay, we call them dependent. Because under 15, you know that children, okay, don't work. They study, okay, and they depend on country's resources better. But once, okay, they go over 15, some start, okay, over 15, okay, of the age, maybe some start over 20, and even some start, okay, over 25, okay. But that force is called, okay, working force or highly productive force of the country, my dear. And in the same way, my dear, the wider top, okay, upper age group, okay, or the top of this pyramid, where you can see that it will be more wider, and bars, okay, will get more wider, okay. It means that there will be more population, my dear, and more old dependent people, okay, and more people, okay, will be there, okay, for the country to mean use its resources, okay, for their livelihood, okay, for their health, okay, my dear, and some other facilities, okay, the country has to provide, okay, these people with. So like that, okay, you have to answer the question with. Next one, you can see that the changing shape of the population pyramids, okay, affects Pakistan's workforce both now and for the future. Explain the advantages and disadvantages of the changes with. Advantages, okay, we have that at the base, okay, we will be having fewer children to look after, okay, more money, okay, for development, and more workers, okay, for developing the country, less burden, okay, on the economy, more young workers, more energetic, okay, innovative people, young, more, okay, to likely to be educated, okay, more rooms, okay, in the school, and more old to give, okay, advice to the young people. And doesn't mean that, okay, old people have no benefits, okay, for the country. Yeah, wrong, my dear. They are beneficial, okay, or they have spent, okay, a lot of time, my dear. Maybe, okay, some are 65 years old, okay, 70 years old. So keep in mind that, beta, they are beneficial because they have gone through, okay, some experimentary experiences. So their experiences, okay, country can be used. Country can use, okay, and young people, okay, can be trained, okay, by the old people, okay, my dear. Proper advice, okay, can be given. So they are beneficial for the country, my dear. Now we have disadvantages of these changes, my dear. Yes, more old to look after, because the top one, okay, will be wider with the top of the population pyramid, okay, will be wider, or there will be more people, okay, in the over 60, and more old people to look after, more unemployment, okay, due to large workforce. Like in the middle one, okay, as I told you that middle age group, okay, or in the middle of the population pyramid, okay, we'll be having, okay, more population, more workforce. So this can create, okay, unemployment situation with a loss of educated and skilled workers, okay, through immigration. You know that, okay, a lot of people, okay, they emigrate from their country to other country. So definitely it's a loss, okay, for the country. We use, okay, one term, okay, for this purpose, and that is brain drainage. Brain drainage, okay, that is happening, okay, from Pakistan and some other developing countries. So countries are not utilizing, okay, their experiences, my dear, their education, their skill. So these people are disappointed, my dear. That's why they leave their country and they go to other countries, and they help, okay, or they develop, okay, other countries. But as they have no chance to develop their own country, that's why that, okay, we say we have a loss of educated skilled work, okay, through immigration. More taxes, okay, needed to support, okay, older people. Yes, okay, we need, okay, more money, because if we have more people, okay, in the upper age group, examples of need, okay, for these old people, because they need, okay, health care, they need, okay, pensions, they need, okay, care, okay, homes, okay, and lot of things, okay, they need that. But this purpose, okay, government has to levy, okay, more taxes, okay, on the people with. So like that, okay, we can write the answer, beta. Yes, any point you didn't understand, beta, ask me, beta.
Sir, every point clear, sir.
Hey, mashallah, mashallah. Every point is clear, huh? Very good. Yes, Abdurrafi, beta.
No problem, sir.
Today I will give the assignment, my dear. There will be two assignments, okay, with the keys. So you have to do that, okay, whenever it is feasible. Yes, yes. In 1 week, huh? In 1 week, if you can finish, okay, on the register, or if you can get the print, okay, you can do that. It's up to you, beta, okay, with the help of answer key. So I will share, okay, or upload, okay, two assignment of population. The topics, okay, up till now we have done that, beta. Okay, now I'm starting, okay, next topic, my dear. It is employment, and after that, okay, we have only one chapter, one topic left, okay, that is of migration. Employment. Employment is defined as the state of being employed. I mean, when you have a job, a state of being employed. Unemployment is that the state of not being employed. Mean it mean when you are jobless. Self-employed, okay, when you have your own business, your own job, you don't get salary, my dear. I mean the money, okay, you invest on that, okay, so that is your salary or that is your profit. And paid employed is that, okay, when you are paid, okay, or the job, okay, in which you are paid, okay, it means that you are paid employed. Here we have one more term, my dear, disguised unemployment. Disguised, okay, unemployment, comprising, okay, the self-employed and unpaid, okay, family helpers. In family, you know that, okay, you have maids, okay, and some other people, okay, that they are not paid, okay, family helpers, okay, we call them, okay, so that situation is called disguised unemployment, beta. Either people who are self-employed, okay, they have their own jobs, or there are some family members, okay, or family helpers that they are not paid, okay, so we call it disguised unemployment, okay. Like in the family, if you do some work, okay, for your family, okay, so they don't pay you, Mari, okay, this situation is called disguised unemployment. Okay, in the last presentation, okay, there was one more underemployment bit. Underemployment. Underemployment is that you get the job and not according to your qualification. The job, okay, which you receive, you get that, okay, or you are employed, okay, for the job and not according to your qualification. Your qualification is different, my dear, and the job, okay, you are getting that, okay, that is different, okay. So that situation is called underemployment beta. Underemployment beta. So they are some of the terms, okay, which will be used. So just focus on that beta. Okay, you can have your employment mean jobs, okay, either in primary sector, secondary sector, or tertiary sector, okay. Say primary industry, okay, we can call that, my dear, or sector, okay, we can call that secondary sector or secondary industry, okay, we can call that, or tertiary sector or tertiary industry, okay, we can call that beta. So primary sector, primary industry, okay, you know that the occupations, okay, which are involved in extraction of raw material directly, okay, from land or water, like agriculture, fishing, mining, okay, and forestry, etc. Okay, so they are example of primary sector or primary industries beta. Then now we have secondary factor, mean totally manufacturing, processing or manufacturing beta, in which we have steel making, shipbuilding, okay, cement industry, fertilizer, textile industry, okay, my dear, and lot of other industries, okay, which produce, my dear, okay, car manufacturing, okay, we have that, aeroplane, okay, manufacturing, we have that. So wherever manufacturing is that, so that is the part of secondary sector or secondary industries bit. Tertiary industry, yes, in which we have the occupations which provide services, banking, transport, trade, insurance, okay, health, education. We have transport, my dear, in it, my dear. Telecommunication, okay, you know that we have that. Repairing, okay, of so many things, okay, we have that. Providing services, okay, installing, okay, internet service, electricity supply, okay, services, okay, my dear. So they are the we can say that, okay, the types of occupations, my dear, types of jobs, okay, that they provide services. They provide services, my dear. Primary sector is about food and raw material. Secondary sector is about processing and manufacturing. And tertiary sector is totally about the services. Now, causes of unemployment, beta. Why do we have more people, okay, jobless, okay, in the country? Or what are the causes or reasons of unemployment? Number one, high rate of population growth. As the population is increasing, my dear, resources are not being used, okay, fully, or the rate of using the resources, okay, that is not being increased better. We have the same resources which we were having, okay, 20 years ago, and the population has increased a lot, and we are having, okay, same resources right now, my dear. So what do you think that, okay, that unemployment, okay, will increase or not? Yes, definitely will increase with mechanization of agriculture. You know that we have started using machinery and agriculture in farming area. So people have lost the jobs, my dear. Revolution in information technology. You know that, okay, in IT department, okay, we have made a lot of development, my dear. So we need, okay, more people, because most of the work is done, okay, by the computer or some other ways. I mean, if one person is having computer, my dear, and he can do the main collection of information, my dear, keeping the data, he can keep, okay, easily, my dear. But before it, okay, for writing purposes, we needed, okay, more people, my dear. Number four, cultural restraints, my dear. Yes, in the society, as you know that we have to give dowry, okay, and we have to spend a lot, my dear, and due to that, okay, unemployment is increasing, okay, in the country bit. Number four, five, okay, we have mismatch in the demand and supply of labor force, beta. We need doctor, but we have engineers. We need engineers, okay, we have more doctors. So this is called mismatch, beta, in the demand and supply of labor force. So this is also causing, okay, unemployment. If we say the doctor do the work of engineering, okay, will he be able to do that? No. And if we say the engineer do mean treatment of some patients, will he be able to do that? No, beta. So this is called mismatch, beta. So that's why that doctor is not getting the job of doctor, my dear, and engineer is not getting the job of engineering. Number six, okay, we have rural urban migration. You know that there is a trend, okay, nowadays going on that more and more people, okay, want to come to live in city areas, in towns and cities. And as more and more people are coming, my dear, so more unemployment, okay, cases are increasing, my dear. Then we have less jobs opportunities. Yes, we are not utilizing our resources fully, my dear. That's why that we have less jobs opportunities, okay, in the country. Then we have agriculture. Less people are needed, okay, due to small farms. As in one family, okay, they have more people, my dear. But on a small farm, okay, they need only two people to work over there. If they are six-member, my dear, so four people they are not needed over there. So they also cause unemployment. Beta. Political stability, my dear, yes, and government policies, okay, so they are not stable, my dear, you understand. So due to that, okay, unemployment is increasing, the rate of unemployment is increasing in the country. Beta. Okay, how can we control it, my dear? Okay, literacy and training programs on modern grounds, training of farmers, training of labor force, training of labor, okay, for tertiary sector, and utilization of resources. So they are some of the steps, okay, we can take, and we can minimize, okay, unemployment in the country. Beta. Yes, any point you didn't understand, beta, ask me. So
No,
inshallah,
something
okay,
on your
inshallah. Yes, beta.
screen.
Yes, beta.
Slide number 3, sir.
You understood, beta?
No, sir. Can you go to slide number
Okay, beta, I'm uploading the assignment number one and assignment number two with the key. So you have to do that, beta. Okay.
3? Yes, sir.
Okay,
Take
sir.
care. Inshallah. See you next lesson, beta.
Okay, sir.
Allah Hafiz, sir.